What up, YouTube? It's your boy KG, that boy YT. Clark Street Shutdown King, at least status shot it, man. What's going on? What's going on, man? Okay, guys. As y'all can see, this is my my Schosche kit and my original Pioneer double dare, and I'm doing an upgrade, as you can see. The reason that I decided to switch it out was because well, my music stopped playing in the car and could never figure it out. And everything on the kit still worked. AC control, heat control, everything was working. It just, I wasn't getting any sound out of my music. It even got to the point where my steering wheel controls had stopped or whatever. So right before I took my car and dropped it off at the shop, I took this out and I put my factory player back in, and my music started playing. So long story short, it had to be something in this kit that stopped working or malfunctioned, and I'm not sure if it was just wires gone bad or the kit going out or whatever, but or maybe wires touching or something, cause that could have been it, just wires touching, and that's the reason stuff started playing or came unplugged or something. But either way, I took it out, put the factory in, and started playing. So, and I had it out, I just decided, you know what, since, you know, I'm doing a lot of upgrades to the car, why don't I just upgrade this? So that's what I did. One, there's nothing wrong with the double den, it works fine, and I love this double den. But what I don't like about it is it does not have Bluetooth on it. That's the one thing that I did not like about this player, this Pioneer CD player, is that it didn't have Bluetooth. But that's why I got this new one. And plus, let me say, I think this one is a 6.2. This is a 7-inch, and it does have Bluetooth. It also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as y'all can see. So I like that when I seen that. So that's the reason why I'm upgrading my double den. And as for the kit, I was just gonna order another Schosche kit because I love the touch screen. And plus, Schosche has a new version of this kit. It's out now where instead of having just one screen right here and buttons on the side, they have no buttons and have 2 mini screens, and everything on the kit is touch screen. And I love that about it. And I was gonna upgrade to that one, but again, wanted to try something different. So I took a page out of my homie Judon's book, and I'm going with the PAC kit. But this is like the newer version of that kit. The original PAC kit was the 101, and with that kit you had to take your factory knobs off your original stock CD player and put it on that one, the new one. But with this one, it already comes with the knobs, so you don't have to worry about that. Take it out for you guys. Hold on just a second. Okay, and as you see, it already comes with the knobs on, and here are the buttons that go in the knobs. You could put the buttons on. I don't know if y'all can see that good, but it has the icon for the heated seats on these two, and those two right there, they're left blank. So it's giving you a choice whether you want just the blank ones right there, or the ones with the heated seats icons on. Here are all the wires and stuff that goes to it. Screws. And with this kit, it gives you the option whether you want it to be a double din or single din. Okay. And let's see, we can do a side-by-side comparison of the Schosche and the PAC. Let me set them up like this, get a better view of them. The PAC gives you more a factory look. The Schosche gives you better, you know, upgraded, more, you know, just a different look. Say it. Long story short. Okay, guys. Now we got the side-by-side comparison of the old Pioneer and the new Pioneer. Okay, this is the new one, and it is the AVH-2400NEX by Pioneer. That's the old joint. I mean, that's the new one, and this is the old. That's the side-by-side comparison. So guys, as y'all can see, like I said, man, a lot of more upgrades coming for the SS. So if you hadn't already, like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, because I'm gonna be doing a lot of upgrades to it within the following months and the rest of the year. So that's what all I got going on for right now, guys. This is gonna be like a part 1 video, and I'm gonna do the part 2 video and the install of the new kit and the new double din whenever I get the car back, which should be in like a couple weeks or so. So stay tuned to the part 2 video of this video, and that's what's going on for right now, guys. We're gonna holler at you.